you. I swear. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years. I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stay right here with you through the years. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would be so empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Happy wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa. Salamat po sa gabos. Dai kami magiging maestro asin maestra kung bako dahil sa sakripisyo nindong duwa. Promise ni sa Indo na kami naman magtubang ang bahala sa Indo hanggang sa pagmurang po nindo. We wish you both good health and happiness. Love, your kids.
Blow!
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Mabuhang mahayang ako'y hagdan at nakapit. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap sa nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Sana magdagdagan pang araw balik sa anniversary. Baka mabot ang golden.
Parehas man, sana dakul pang anniversary magabot sa mo. And makako ang marigular ng sa kuyang sarupan teacher